Yeah, welcome back, guys, to another video.
Hey!
And we're doing another house tour because we're on video. Oh my god, this is sick. Admit one cinema. I would be definitely watching tomorrow's race in here. Guys, this is the movie theater. The pool table. Some bunk beds. Living room. What's over here?
Oh!
Evan, what's in here?
I don't know, probably a closet. Oh, there's an outside, you guys.
Yeah, you gotta unlock it. Alright, guys, we're gonna go check out the outside.
Whoa!
Oh, guys, there's a hot tub. Definitely gonna be chilling that later.
My God!
How do we get down to the lake then?
S'more steak! We can do s'mores!
Yeah, guys, we can do s'mores.
So pretty.
We
Yeah.
can literally do s'mores!
Alright, Evan, we should go check out the deck. I'm definitely chilling in that hot tub later.
Get inside.
So on.
There's a wild cat. Get me.
Yo, there's a hot tub on the balcony outside!
There's a wild cat outside.
Alright, guys, yeah, that's the kitchen. Alright, guys, we're gonna go to the balcony. What are these rooms? Bedroom. This is nice. Bedroom. Don't know. What's that room? I don't know what that room is. Hey guys, there's like no. I don't know how the heck to get on the. What?
Come on, let's go check out the top deck.
Alright, guys, we're gonna check out the top deck now. I don't want that.
Check this out. Holy crap!
There's like 3 whole sections.
What? Down there.
This is insane, guys.
Look at this.
There's 3 whole.
Spider web. Oh.
There's 3 whole sections. And there's just some tables, guys. We're living life. We live in life right now.
Spiderwebs.
Grace, it's just a spider web. Alright, guys.
What is
Catch of the day.
Geez, there's a whole other kitchen down here.
Yeah. Where's the game room? Oh, this is the game room.
This is our movie theater.
I think this is the game room.
Okay.
Evan, where's the game room, bro?
right here?
This is the game room.
Do you want this one? Hey, me and Kate are sitting in the movie theater.
Same.
Hey guys. Oh, hey guys.
I call sleeping.
I love being on my cousin's show.
This is our bed. This is our beds for the next.
Oh, this is so comfortable.
Oh my god.
I call sleeping.
What movies do they have? Where are the other boys? Where are the boys gonna sleep? Terrible movies, anyway.
Let's see if there's even a movie that I like in here, guys. Nope. All right.
Oh, this is nice.
Hi guys. Peace.